that I rap, preaching about giving back. But my lips too still for an amen, plus I can't clap. I pull the fork out the road and snatch the roof from the crows. For my believers that's fulfilling they goals. Check your corners, haters on us, so we continue with bows. I see them dipping in the grocery store, making calls in the malls, even making cash withdrawals. But I truly see that the charm and freeze by the smoke of your weed, by the shape of your keys, to the small white tees. Y'all ain't ballers, y'all just cut your sleeves. I move at K-Pack speed through a tropical breeze, cause I believe
I'm accomplished, I'm a phenomenon. I believe I can do anything, anything. I believe I can accomplish, I'm a finisher. I believe I can do anything, anything. Cause I believe
I got my mind and money intact, complimentary snack. For my believers, I'm showing respect. You can be who you chose, like that designer of clothes. Or maybe just play for the checks. Think it's a skeptical dream, wake up, you're running the stream. I believe in Southern California, it rains. I believe I can sing, forfeit the needle from fiends. I can dunk liquor from AJ McLean. I believe the rules gon' change, hip-hop adjusting the game. Songs we know, million sold, like a very man alone. Not a whole story's told, not about Cristal and Mold. Could you truly see, I'm blessed to be surrounded in tropics, your mama ceramic, laid in a hammock. Love ain't granted, like damn it, I put my emotions in it. I believe I'm a crime, and I believe I'll get high, cause I believe
I'm an accomplished, I'm a phenomenon. I believe I can do anything, anything. Cause I believe I'm an accomplished, I'm a finisher. I believe I can do anything, anything. Cause I believe
I'm a phenomenon, I'm like the missing son. For the parents too sterile to have one, I'm like a mutual fund, more like a honey bun. For the homeless and wandering bums, I'm like a salad, no grease, dressing ranch and blue cheese. I'm 30 laps for a person obese. I'm the water you spill, more like the heat that you feel when you laid off and skipping the pill. I'm the streets and the corners for all my women abused. I'm the medicine used for the cuts and the bruise. I'm a loner, organ donor for all my John Q's. I'll succeed, cause I believe I'm the fugazi on your jewelry. I'm the 30-day tags when you ship the 3. And I can use a jigger flow, cause he cool with me. Without a soul train to grab me, I still believe
I'm an accomplished, I'm a phenomenon. I believe I can do anything, anything. Cause I believe I'm an accomplished, I'm a finisher. I believe I can do anything, anything. Cause I believe I'm an accomplished, I'm a phenomenon. I believe I can do anything, anything. Cause I believe I'm an accomplished, I'm a finisher.